Hey guys, so I am about, well, I'd say just about done with the windshield washer project here, and you can see I've got some tubing run back here at the back. I've still got to get it cut to length and then get it mounted to the pump right over here. But I've got it run here, and you may see that the color is orange. I ran over to Lowe's, and just so happens the size that they had that fit was, it's actually a fuel line, so it's got a chemical in it to prevent it from breaking down. So that's why the color is that orange color. But I've run it up through here, up through the center console, and if you watch my previous video, no need to take out anything here. You can just fish it through by just reaching into the void there. This is the wiring coming from the pump. This is the wiring coming from the power. So this is 12-volt accessory, and you can actually see here's the wire coming from under the hood, and then here's the what will be the water line. So I've got that run, and then I've got just probably a temporary wire tie on here right now, right here where I'll split it, and then I'll run from here. What I'm planning on doing is basically mounting it right over here. So what I'll probably just do is just drill a small hole on either side, just run it straight across here. Not really concerned about water coming up through here. As you can see, water comes up here anyway, and this is pretty high. This is actually the air intake, so it'll actually be higher than that by the time I drill the hole. But that's the plan, just to go from here to here, and then take my nozzle and basically just mount it like this, faced up toward the windshield. So that's where we stand right now. Looking good. Still got to get the switch mounted, and I'm still kind of debating on where I want to mount that. Since I've got the wires here, I'm actually leaning towards, I think I've got to pop this panel out. I think I can do it right here. I might just do that since this is small. Other choices, you know, somewhere over here. But anyway, I'll get this mounted and get everything wrapped up and get back with you. Thanks for watching. All right, guys. Aside from the switch, I've got my my water jets mounted and all my water hose run for the windshield washer, and you can actually see I've got a little bit of spray here. Still got to do some adjustment on the nozzles, which I'll get done, but otherwise the install's pretty much done. I might do, you know, a couple of zip ties just to hold the line from bumping around too terribly much. But everything is in, and I'll get the switch. What you didn't see was just after I stopped filming the previous video, I dropped the switch right down the hole here, and it went all the way down onto the skid plate. And it was a cheap switch anyway. I think what I'll probably end up doing actually is going ahead and buying one of these switches here. They look like this. I'll get it off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. The ring illuminates, and since I've got the power, I'll just go ahead and get one of those switches. And again, I think what I'm probably going to do is actually just mount it right over here, because that's a good spot. And one of the things you have here is behind here, right? This plastic is here behind this, so I'd have to drill through twice, and I'm not sure about the thickness. So it's just as easy. I'll just mount it right here, and that'll be nice and easy. But that's what I've got to do, is buy a switch. I looked through my stuff and I couldn't find one. I may still have one, but I'll just have to dig around and see if I can find it. Anyway, that's where we stand. So got everything done. You can see the pump there, and or the reservoir. Got it mounted. Got fluid in it. It's good to go. It is working, so that's a good sign. Next project that's coming up, upper doors are actually supposed to be here sometime today. Today is Sunday, and they're coming FedEx, but they're from actually I can't remember the name right now, but it's a new brand. Spike is the name. New brand that's out on the market. So I'll get those mounted up coming up next, and I think I'll probably end up, just because of the doors. I'll probably end up having to move my mirrors. In fact, I'm certain I'll have to move them, probably just down lower. And well, anyway, we'll see what happens from there. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming along. I did hit 1,000 subscribers last week, which is totally awesome. I really appreciate everyone that watches the videos and everything. Please be sure to like, subscribe, share the videos. If you have questions, by all means, please ask me. Thanks for watching.